let's take a look at XRP against the US dollar. Please, do not take this as specific financial advice. I know fuck all. Take it with a pinch of salt. It's just my personal perspective on the markets. It's for entertainment purposes only. If you can say looking at a chart is entertaining, which I quite like it. So yeah. Anyway, monthly chart. As you can see, I drew this green line, box, rectangle, long thing. It was a demand zone on the weekly. Let's drop down to the weekly because it makes it more apparent. So, as I was mentioning before, price has pushed back down into this demand zone here, and also we've created a demand zone here. Currently, price is pushing towards this supply zone here. So, we had a very strong push up to it last week. Gordon Bennett, look at that. Pushed almost near it. We've had a bit of a pullback, and now price is moving back up. Daily. So, daily, what we're looking at, the chart. So, as I mentioned last time, price on the 4 hour and hour looked like it dropped through where potential stops may have been for people that are trading. Yeah, now those traders are moving this mother back up. So, in my humble opinion, price, although it's looking good, really needs to break the 31,700 level. Let's just say 700, round number. If you know what you mean, what I mean, what you mean, that I mean, you know what I mean. So, 4 hour, what's going on? Well, currently, we have just created what looks to be like a possible new demand zone on the 4 hour price chart. So, let's draw some boxes and try to explain some stuff. Demand, I'm saying, is down here. Now, Joe, why are you saying that demand is potentially down there on the chart? Well, thank you for asking, Joe. The reason I've said this is because of this. We've got a bearish engulfing candle. It's pushed back down. Price has now been able to break through said bearish candle. When that happens, that potentially shows that the pressure to sell from this area up here, which created those bearish, or that bearish, I should say, engulfing candle, the buys exceeded the sells. Therefore, this is the price that the place that price turn around. This is what happens when you try and talk real quick, real serious, like with no bollocks. So, price broke bearish engulfing candle. Origin of price breaking bearish engulfing candle is here. So, what could happen? Well, at the moment, price is also at a potential supply zone on the 4 hour. 1 hour, let's drop down. Let's go. So, it becomes more apparent. We've got bullish momentum. Price is pulling up into some very interesting areas. God, my throat's going, Jesus. Woo! Don't try and do this shit that often. Whoa. So we've got a rally base drop. Price has pushed up into said rally base drop. Let's just draw in. So we'll change the colour to red just so that, you know, for all those people that are colourblind, it looks green and grey. So price, if it respects this supply zone, potentially could retrace back because we've got this big action, little resistance into this demand zone before going higher. Again, let's just stick though to the weekly. At the moment, I want to see price break the 36,700 level. If we can break that level, then potentially there is further demand on offer at around the sort of, well, may as well call it 39 to 42. Job's good. There you go. As said, don't listen to a word I say because I'm a fucking idiot. Anyway, have a nice evening. There you go. Bit of an update. Boom!